wedding. You deserve it. Thanks for all the gifts. Welcome. The memories that I give you. Lovely memories for your wedding celebration. Have a nice happy life. Make more babies.
Yeah, be sensible.
Be sensible. Working on it right now. Yeah. Yeah. That's why I gave you the honeymoon hotel. Enjoy your married life. Be good to each other. Love each other. Work together and just enjoy the life. Keep an open communication. If there's a problem, talk about things.
No fighting.
No fighting.
No fighting. You want to kotong me all the time. Malapit na tayo.
Oh, we're near na. Oh,
Look at that.
then there's near to their house. 3 minutes more.
No, I don't like that.
Papunta kami ngayon sa aming apartment ni Jose. Ayun na, malapit na. At least nakita ni ate. Walang gamit pero at least makita niyo nila. Sayang. Pero magaling.
Start from scratch.
Yeah. The entrance of our apartment. Yate. Yeah. Yeah, residence. Fountain residence. On the other side.
The second part of the complex.
The office?
The office is on the other side.
Here. Mother! Pamilya ko sa Pinas. Ito yung aming bahay dito. Apartment. A lot of parking, yeah? That's good. Gawa ng swimming pool, fitness gym, laundry shop, and car wash. Everything is ano te.
Oh, let's have a look. I'm excited. This is the apartment that Jose and Helen have taken. Lead the way to your new house. Lead the way, Mrs. Rodriguez.
Which one?
Yellow submarine. Ah, going up or down? The bottom. Yeah, very nice. What power? Oh, this power! Yes! Wala pang lights. Wow, it's nice. On mo yung light, meron na siyang lights. They've already turned the lights on. This is the kitchen area. And they have provided the fridge and the stove. Water is working. Microwave. For burners here. It's lovely. Nice cabinets. And what's this one? Dishwasher? No. Living room. That's nice. This is the going out the garden. It's good you're in the ground floor. You can see you have garden outside. The balcony. Wow. Oh guys, it's lovely. Tita Rebecca, ang ganda dito. You should come next in the future.
barbecue spot.
Yeah, oh yes, it is. It's good they got this for insect insect control. Beautiful, lovely, nice. Yes, barbecue area.
Here.
You got some for protection from insects.
Yeah, good, that's good.
Yes, it's beautiful.
You haven't all got that over.
Yeah. Just check out the bedroom. This is the living room. Oh yes, yes, very nice. This is the bathroom. We got bathtubs. Lovely. Yes, it's looking good. Cozy. Very nice. Bedroom, bathroom, and suite. Yes, it's not lovely. I'll turn the light off. Nice place.
Got to pay for Wi-Fi in the house? What you do on your phone?
What? Oh, Wi-Fi, water, and electric. Yeah, you say so.
Like gaming, download.
Love your fridge, I like your fridge. Massive.
I don't use cable TV. I
Congratulations on the
like
nice
TV.
house, very cozy.
Excited na ako i-decorate.
The Netflix is like
Ayusin ang
Yes.
ba.
$20 for the whole month.
Shelf ready, dishwasher, microwave. Whirlpool is a good brand. Thank you for the tour, for the house tour. Yeah, very nice, Helen. This is the outside of the building of their complex. Very nice. Yes. Fountains over there. This is my cousin's new apartment area we found here in Orlando. Go visit the pool area now.
Parang exclusive subdivision.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
It is as a exclusive subdivision. Lista. Is it extra? The facilities? Extra payment? No. Same. Oh yes, that's the pool. I don't wanna video because loads of people there, yeah? I'm just gonna video from afar. They're just gonna take some video from afar. That's their area pool. This is the fitness area. And then we got some laundry area over there as well. It's perfect. Yeah. There's a laundry center here as well. Yes. So, yeah. All you need is here, and the shopping area is not too far. You can just get in the car and buy groceries. And the once a week. The expert.
Some people that just want to.
Lovely here, guys. Yeah, automatics, very good. Magic. Only in America. Nice. So we're leaving their apartments now. We're on site. Thanks for the tour. Yes, we're off to the hotel now. I'm gonna check in.